What if I told you that some of your everyday habits are silently hurting your mind, not just your body? Habit 1, the inactive life. Prolonged sitting reduces blood flow, disrupts sleep, causes mental fog, and increases anxiety. The fix: stand and move every hour. Take short walks, incorporate stretch breaks into your day. Habit 2, people pleasing, always seeking approval. Notice how saying yes to everything can leave you feeling drained and lost. Burnout, loss of self, and suppressed needs are common effects. Slow down, ask yourself before saying yes, and learn to say no politely when needed. Habit 3, perfectionism and unrealistic expectations. Here we see a project that is never done, stuck in a cycle of repeated edits. The person feels anxious as they try to perfect every minor detail. Perfectionism can lead to procrastination, indecision, and stress. To overcome this, aim for good enough and value completion over perfection. Take imperfect action. Habit 4, social comparison, also known as the highlight reel effect. When we compare our everyday lives to the glamorous highlights we see on social media, it can make us feel inadequate and unhappy. This habit undermines our self-esteem and makes real life seem dull by contrast. It can disrupt our attention and satisfaction. To combat this, try limiting your social media use. Unfollow accounts that trigger feelings of. Habit 5, negative self-talk. In this scene, we explore the damaging effects of negative self-talk. Negative self-talk is an internal dialogue that fosters anxiety, self-hate, and creates mental blocks. It can make one feel small and demotivated. Here's a tip: when a negative thought arises, pause and question it. Ask yourself, is this true? Then reframe the thought to I am learning, I can improve, not perfection or failure. Foster. Outro. Inspirational note. Encouraging message. It's not about being perfect. It's about being aware, being kind, being human.